Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace Honda Accord grill, full guide. Begin by parking on level ground, wearing gloves, and disconnecting the battery to prevent electrical shorts. Next, gather basic tools like a trim tool, ratchet set, and replacement grill before starting. Work methodically and keep fasteners organized so reinstalling is easier. If you encounter resistance, stop and check for hidden clips or screws. To prepare, lay out your tools and inspect the replacement grill for matching tabs and screw holes. Use a trim tool to gently pry plastic clips and a 10mm ratchet for bolts securing the bumper or grill. Keep a cloth handy to protect painted surfaces and a small tray for fasteners. Confirm the new grill aligns with mounting points so reassembly is smooth and you avoid unnecessary force or damage. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling great after a messy repair. It's an easy pick-me-up after working under the hood. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by removing bolts and unclipping the bumper as needed to access the grill area, working from one side to the other. Carefully unfasten emblem hardware or sensor connectors so wiring stays intact, labeling parts if helpful. Fit the new grill into position, making sure tabs seat fully, then reinstall bolts and clips in the original pattern. Test fit and adjust before tightening fully to ensure even gaps and a factory appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.